For many travelers, Sri Lanka is known for its golden beaches and palm-lined coastline. Tropical resorts and peaceful bays have made the island one of Asia's favorite seaside destinations. But beyond the coast lies a Sri Lanka of misty mountains, rolling tea plantations, hidden waterfalls, and ancient landscapes that many visitors never experience. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across emerald highlands, cloud forests, dramatic escarpments, and quiet mountain villages, Sri Lanka reveals a remarkable diversity packed into one small island. Every destination offers another perspective on this extraordinary country. Our journey begins in Ella, a peaceful mountain town surrounded by lush green hills and endless tea plantations. Cool mountain air replaces the tropical heat while spectacular views stretch across the surrounding valleys. It is one of Sri Lanka's most beautiful highland destinations. The famous Nine Arches Bridge curves gracefully through dense forest beneath towering hills. Vintage blue trains pass slowly across the historic viaduct, creating one of the country's most iconic scenes. The combination of engineering and nature feels timeless. Walking trails wind through tea estates where neatly trimmed bushes cover the hillsides in every direction. Tea pickers continue traditions passed down through generations, while distant mountain ridges disappear into the morning mist. Every viewpoint offers another breathtaking panorama. Beyond Ella, winding mountain roads climb higher into Sri Lanka's tea country. Rolling hills, waterfalls, and peaceful villages create landscapes unlike the island's famous coastline. The journey itself becomes part of the experience. Nuwara Eliya rests high among the mountains surrounded by some of the world's finest tea plantations. Often called Little England, the town combines cool highland scenery with elegant colonial architecture and beautifully maintained gardens. Its peaceful atmosphere feels wonderfully different. Tea estates stretch across the surrounding hills beneath drifting clouds. Narrow roads weave between emerald plantations, while small factories continue producing world-famous Ceylon tea. The scenery is both productive and spectacular. Leaving the tea country behind, the journey enters Horton Plains National Park. Vast grasslands, cloud forests, and rugged escarpments create one of Sri Lanka's most remarkable natural landscapes. The cooler climate supports unique plants and wildlife found nowhere else. Morning mist drifts slowly across open plains as the first sunlight reaches the surrounding mountains. Sambar deer graze quietly while colorful birds move through patches of ancient cloud forest. Nature dominates every direction. At the edge of the plateau lies World's End, one of Sri Lanka's most dramatic viewpoints. Here, sheer cliffs plunge hundreds of meters toward the distant lowlands below. On a clear morning, the panoramic views seem almost endless. Traveling west, another hidden mountain landscape begins to unfold. The Knuckles Mountain Range is a UNESCO-listed wilderness of deep valleys, rivers, forests, and remote villages that remain largely untouched by mass tourism. It is one of the country's greatest natural treasures. Narrow mountain trails pass through dense rainforest, terraced farms, and peaceful communities surrounded by towering peaks. Crystal-clear streams flow through hidden valleys, while waterfalls tumble over ancient rock formations. Every step reveals another spectacular landscape. The biodiversity of the Knuckles Range is extraordinary. Rare plants, colorful butterflies, and unique bird life thrive within these protected forests, making the region a paradise for nature lovers. The peaceful atmosphere feels wonderfully remote. As afternoon light spreads across the mountains, layers of mist drift gently between the surrounding peaks. Forested ridges fade into the distance, while rivers wind quietly through the valleys below. The scenery captures the timeless beauty of Sri Lanka's hidden highlands. From mountain railways and emerald tea plantations to cloud forests and dramatic escarpments, Every destination reveals another side of Sri Lanka that many travelers never see. Together, they show that the real Sri Lanka extends far beyond its famous beaches. And the journey is only just beginning. Beyond the mist-covered peaks of Sri Lanka's central highlands, the journey continues into landscapes where nature has remained wonderfully untouched. Every region reveals another hidden treasure waiting beyond the island's famous coastline. The farther the journey continues, the more remarkable Sri Lanka becomes. Our next destination is Upper Diyaluma Falls, one of Sri Lanka's most spectacular natural wonders. Cascading down towering cliffs, the waterfall creates a series of crystal-clear natural pools overlooking endless valleys below. The scenery is breathtaking from every angle. Gentle walking trails lead across open grasslands before reaching dramatic rock ledges where water flows into natural infinity pools. Beyond the cliffs, layers of green mountains stretch toward the horizon beneath ever-changing skies. Every viewpoint feels unforgettable. Traveling south, the landscape changes once again as dense rainforest replaces mountain grasslands. Sinharaja Forest Reserve protects Sri Lanka's last great tropical rainforest and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It remains one of the island's richest ecosystems. Ancient trees form a dense canopy where colorful birds, rare butterflies, and unique wildlife thrive. Narrow forest trails pass crystal-clear streams, hidden waterfalls, and giant ferns that have flourished for centuries. Nature surrounds every step. Leaving the rainforest behind, the journey turns east toward Gal Oya National Park. Unlike Sri Lanka's better-known wildlife reserves, this peaceful landscape combines forests, lakes, and islands into one extraordinary ecosystem. It offers a completely different safari experience. Large herds of elephants often swim confidently between small islands scattered across the vast Sinharaja Samudraya Reservoir. Watching these remarkable animals move through the water is one of Sri Lanka's most unforgettable wildlife experiences. The peaceful surroundings make the moment even more special. Beyond the lake, forests shelter deer, colorful bird life, crocodiles, and countless other native species. Quiet boat safaris allow visitors to experience the landscape from a unique perspective while respecting the natural environment. Every journey reveals another remarkable encounter. The adventure now returns towards Sri Lanka's ancient heartland. Rising above surrounding forests, Pidurangala Rock offers one of the country's finest panoramic viewpoints. From its summit, history and nature come together in spectacular fashion. As the morning mist clears, the magnificent outline of Sigiriya rises above the surrounding jungle, while distant mountains frame the horizon. Massive granite boulders and native forest create an unforgettable landscape that stretches for kilometers. It is one of Sri Lanka's most breathtaking views. Throughout the island, mountain villages continue to preserve traditions shaped by generations of farming, tea cultivation, and close connections to nature. Terraced hillsides, local markets, and welcoming communities reflect a slower rhythm of life that has endured through time. Every valley tells another story. Across Sri Lanka, remarkable diversity unfolds within surprisingly short distances. Misty mountains give way to tropical rainforests, hidden waterfalls lead to peaceful lakes, and ancient landscapes blend effortlessly with everyday village life. Few countries offer such variety within a single journey. Traveling beyond the beaches transforms the way many people experience Sri Lanka. Instead of seeing only tropical coastlines, visitors discover cool highlands, dramatic mountain scenery, untouched forests, and authentic communities that reveal the island's true character. These hidden places often leave the deepest memories. Sri Lanka's remarkable landscapes are matched by the warmth of its people. From quiet mountain towns to remote forest communities, hospitality remains an important part of everyday life. Every destination offers a genuine welcome. This is the Sri Lanka that rewards curiosity. It is an island where hidden highlands, ancient forests, spectacular waterfalls, and breathtaking viewpoints continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Sri Lanka's greatest treasure is not found along its famous beaches at all. It is the extraordinary collection of misty mountains, emerald tea plantations, cloud forests, waterfalls, and timeless villages that reveal the island's hidden heart. Beyond the coast lies a Sri Lanka that is peaceful, breathtaking, and endlessly inspiring.